Hello everyone. Welcome back to today's exciting journey. Right now, let's join me in exploring the fascinating world of jackfruit, the fruit that is known as the most fragrant on the planet. Don't forget to leave a number 1 in the comments if you want to join me. First, let's explore a bit about this fruit. The jackfruit, a gigantic fruit with a sweet flavor, is a special gift from nature to tropical regions. Originating from India, the jackfruit was later introduced to and became a familiar crop in Southeast Asian countries. The jackfruit tree can grow up to 20 meters tall, with a wide and lush canopy that provides shade for gardens. The fruit itself is oval-shaped, covered in thick, rough skin with sharp spikes. When ripe, the jackfruit emits a strong fragrance that awakens the senses and stimulates the taste buds of anyone nearby. Harvesting jackfruit is not simply about picking the fruit from the tree. It requires skill and knowledge to preserve its delicious flavor. The ideal time to harvest jackfruit is when the fruit is mature but not fully ripe. At this stage, the jackfruit will have a greenish-yellow color, emit a subtle fragrance, and have a slight elasticity when gently pressed. The harvesting technique needs to be meticulous and careful. Use a sharp knife to cut the fruit close to the stem, avoiding damage to the tree or other surrounding fruits. After harvesting, the jackfruit undergoes various processing methods to extend its shelf life and maximize its value. A common technique is separating the jackfruit pods, which may seem simple but is an art requiring patience and skill. The worthy reward is the bright yellow, fragrant pods, ready to awaken all your senses. Jackfruit is not only a delicious snack but also a fantastic ingredient for many creative dishes. Its unique tender and chewy texture makes it an ideal choice for vegetarian and vegan dishes, substituting for meat in curries, tacos, or sandwiches. The mild flavor of jackfruit blends perfectly with spices and sauces, offering a unique and delightful culinary experience. After separating from the fibers and seeds, the jackfruit pods reveal a vibrant yellow color, soft texture, and delicate sweetness. The softness of the pods depends on the fruit's ripeness. A perfectly ripe jackfruit will have soft pods that melt in your mouth, providing a wonderful culinary experience. Are you ready to discover the secrets of growing giant jackfruits? Join me on a journey to conquer these fascinating super-sized fruits. To nurture giant jackfruits, the secret lies not only in the cultivation techniques but also in the care and propagation. Grafting techniques, which combine the tissues of 2 different jackfruit trees, help create new varieties with desirable traits such as larger fruits, improved flavor, or disease resistance. Thanks to this technique, farmers can adjust their jackfruit orchards to meet market demands and maximize profits. To conquer giant jackfruits, meticulous cultivation techniques are essential. Providing adequate water, nutrients, and sunlight is key to helping the tree grow vigorously and produce large fruits. Mastering these techniques allows farmers not only to increase jackfruit yield but also to produce high-quality, large, and sweet fruits. This brings economic benefits to the growers and the joy of enjoying delicious, nutritious jackfruit to consumers year-round. And that's everything you need to know about the process of harvesting and growing jackfruit. Did you know that jackfruit seeds are often discarded because they are fibrous and tough, but they actually contain many surprising health benefits? Jackfruit seeds help boost the immune system, reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, are good for bone and joint health, aid digestion, and even assist in weight loss. Jackfruit seeds have a unique flavor, different from other seeds, with a subtle aroma that is not as strong as ripe jackfruit. The taste of jackfruit seeds is similar to lotus seeds or chestnuts, but more intense. Leaving behind the sweet flavor of jackfruit, the next journey takes us to the durian paradise, Thailand. This country is famous for its massive durian production, reaching an average of 1.3 million tons per year. The Durian Kingdom boasts vast cultivation areas spanning up to 250,000 hectares, mainly concentrated in the provinces of Rayong, Chanthaburi, Trat, and Nonthaburi. Each province offers its own distinctive durian flavors, captivating travelers and food enthusiasts worldwide. Imagine immersing yourself in the intense aroma, savoring the rich, creamy sweetness, intertwined with a hint of gentle bitterness of Thai durian. It's a culinary experience you won't forget. Renowned in the land of the Golden Temple, Thai durian never fails to enchant diners with its delicious, creamy flavor. To preserve this unique taste and bring it to consumers worldwide, freeze-dried durian has emerged as a perfect solution. The journey begins with selecting the freshest and finest durians, carefully extracting their golden, creamy flesh. The durian flesh is then frozen at extremely low temperatures to preserve its nutritional value and distinctive flavor. Once frozen, the fruit undergoes a vacuum freeze-drying process to remove moisture while maintaining cellular structure. The result is a crispy, light durian product that retains the rich, creamy flavor of fresh durian. Finally, freeze-dried durian is packaged in airtight containers to ensure long shelf life without the need for preservatives, becoming a popular and convenient snack worldwide. How do farmers care for and harvest those large, creamy durians? Let's explore in the next journey. Conquering durian requires patience and attention to detail, from selecting suitable varieties for the soil and climate to preparing well-drained, fertile soil. Planting seedlings, watering regularly, fertilizing on schedule, and pruning branches help the trees grow vigorously and yield high productivity. Timely pest and disease control is essential to protect the trees. When flowering and fruiting, ample watering and organic fertilization, along with potassium, nurture the fruits. The joy comes when harvesting ripe, fragrant durians. Perhaps for me, the most perilous stage in the durian farming industry is the harvesting process. This is a task that demands meticulousness, caution, and high-level expertise from farmers. When the durians ripen, emitting their fragrant aroma, experienced harvesters will begin ascending to the treetops. They skillfully climb the trees or use long tools to cut the fruit stems without damaging the husks. Then, they gently toss the durians down to those below for catching. This seemingly simple stage harbors many risks. If not executed with proper technique, durians can be crushed, posing dangers to both the harvesters and catchers. Therefore, only those with experience and professional harvesting skills are entrusted with this responsibility. With its rich, fragrant flavor and high nutritional value, durian has long been beloved by many. This fruit not only provides essential vitamins and minerals but also offers numerous health benefits, such as supporting brain function, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, and aiding efficient absorption of vitamins B1 and E. From durian, you can create a variety of enticing dishes such as cakes, ice cream, smoothies, or even milk tea. Although the strong aroma of durian may be off-putting to some, the irresistible allure of this fruit cannot be denied by food enthusiasts. When it comes to Thailand, one cannot overlook the reputation of the Fruit King. However, Thailand's tropical fruit empire extends beyond just durian. It is also the world's largest producer and exporter of rambutan, asserting its dominance in the tropical fruit market. Thailand boasts a massive rambutan production, reaching up to 830,000 tons per year, accounting for over 50% of the global rambutan output. This figure demonstrates Thailand's undeniable leading position in the production and export of this delicious fruit. Thai rambutans are enticing with their sweet, juicy flesh and vibrant red skins. With superior quality and reasonable prices, this fruit has quickly dominated the international market. Thai rambutans not only satisfy consumers' palates but also significantly contribute to the country's agricultural export revenue. The combination of excellent taste and high nutritional value has made Thai rambutans one of the most popular tropical fruits in the world. Harvesting rambutans is a relatively straightforward task because rambutan trees typically do not grow too tall. You can harvest rambutans by hand or use specialized tools to pick the fruits from high branches without crushing them. After harvesting, rambutans should be stored in a cool place, away from direct sunlight to maintain their freshness. Note that the timing of rambutan harvest may vary depending on specific orchards, usually lasting from 2.5 to 3 months. When the rambutan skin changes from green to yellow or red, or when the spines become soft and more spread apart, especially when the rambutan is soft and has a strong fragrance. To achieve a bountiful harvest season, caring for the crops is an essential step. Watering plays an incredibly important role, especially during the dry season and when the plants are still young. However, it is important to note not to overwater to avoid waterlogging. This helps the plants grow vigorously, enhances their growth potential, and achieves high productivity. Rambutan, the queen of tropical fruits, captivates diners with its unique flavor and abundant health benefits. The sweet, refreshing taste and juicy texture of rambutan are a wonderful gift for hot summer days. Furthermore, rambutan is a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants, promoting skin beauty, reducing wrinkles, enhancing skin elasticity, and preventing aging. In addition to enjoying them fresh, rambutans are also transformed into various enticing desserts such as rambutan salad, rambutan ice cream, and rambutan smoothies, adding a touch of richness and excitement to the menu.